In this video, I will show you how to upload images to Canva so you can start creating professional designs in minutes. To get started, as you can see, I've just got Canva opened and I've just got this blank template opened. With Canva, of course, you can use their built-in images. By clicking onto elements, you can actually search for different images. So for example, if I type like trash or something like that, you can see a ton of images we can use. Now, if you actually want to upload your own images from your computer or laptop, then what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left-hand side, click onto Uploads, and then what you want to do is click the Upload Files button. What that's going to do is open up your computer's File Explorer, and you can use this to locate your image that you want to upload to Canva. So in this example, I'm just going to upload an image of my logo. So what I'm going to do is double click to select it, and what that's going to do is start uploading this image to Canva. When it's ready, just simply give it a click, and that's going to add it to your template. From here, what you can do is resize your image, and you can move it about wherever you want to as well. And that is how to upload images to Canva. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.